everyone, so for today's video I'm going to cook pasta, chicken breast fillet, and I have the onion sauce. So let's start cooking. Simple cooking by me. To add water from the pasta, so I need to boil this one first for about 7 minutes. Put a 1 teaspoon of salt, just 1 teaspoon, to make the pasta. Stir it so that the salt will absorb. Cover this one, leave it for 7 minutes boil. Now it's boiling, so let's check. Let's do it like this so that it will not become sticky inside. So this one, guys, is ready. It's really soft. I tested, it's really soft. Look at. So now I set aside this one. So let's put in this one and remove the water. That. Drain it, guys. Now let's put a little bit of oil, not much. This one. The bowl is hot, so let's add the chicken. Let's put the chicken. Add everything. Need to cook slowly because this is chicken. So let's add the onions. Spread these onions. And now let's add a little bit of salt, sea salt. And let's add the sauce. I use the tomato basil sauce. Let's add like that. I don't want the chicken to be overcooked. Mix it. Mix. So I don't need to put anything, just simple cooking, guys. It's boiling, and I'll make sure it's boiling, the sauce, before I put the pasta. Now it's ready to put the pasta, guys. Ready. I don't want to overcook the chicken. So mix it. Mix it so that the pasta will absorb on the sauce. Mix this one properly. Look at. See? So this is my breakfast today, chicken breast with pasta. So you can put any green vegetables here at the top. But for me, I forgot to buy any green vegetables. You can put spinach, any kind of your favorite green vegetables, spring onions. You can put any, cabbage. Yeah, that depends on you, what's your taste. Yeah, but for me, just this one. It's ready, guys. Ready to serve for myself. It's ready now. It's ready now, guys. So just turn off the oven. Luto na, guys. Sorry. Ready, done. Simple cooking by me. Look at. Yeah, it's super delicious. Healthy. You can put any meat. What's your favorite meat? Now let's taste this one, guys. I will taste it with this one. So the chicken is really soft because I don't overcook. It's really soft. Pasta is Okay, perfect. I love the sauce. This is tomato sauce and basil. Nice. Perfect. 10 out of 10. Perfect for the cloudy weather. So thank you for watching, guys. Thank you. I hope it's only simple cooking, nothing special. Thank you so much. I hope you click like and subscribe to my channel. So I put this one, I separate this one in my glass bowl with a lid. I like this one. I like this one because it's glass, it's not plastic. Nice. Delicious. So this one, oh my god, it's so heavy. This one, I spread this one here. Here, my glass bowl. To do is I need to like this one. Okay. Like that. It's much better. I put more chicken. Next time I put more chicken. So that thank you guys, thank you for always watching me, for always supporting my channel. I separate in my glass bowl, guys, my private glass bowl here, that. So next time I need to add more chicken because I only buy like half kilo of chicken. So maybe next time 1 kilo chicken. I need to put 1 kilo chicken for it, and more leaves, more spinach. I need to put spinach next time. Because so that this looks so more healthy. This is healthy because this chicken breast is the healthy meat. So yeah, that's it. So this one I need to wash this one. So this is it. This is it. I only put the spring onions. Perfect for the, look at the weather, raining. I think it will bring cloudy weather. Perfect for cloudy weather, guys. Yeah, so here then if I cannot finish this one, then I can put in the freezer. So I have the lid, so later I will put the lid because this is still hot. We need to evaporate first the hot before I need to put the lid. So look at, guys, whoa, this one is empty, no more. So hopefully next time you will check my video. It's only simple cooking, nothing special, just simple cooking by me, by Lilith. So thank you for watching, guys. So now look at the weather. Whoa, it's cloudy. Look at, I think it will be rain later tonight, or maybe tonight will be raining, is coming tonight. So yeah, thank you guys, thank you. So just segregate this one from here, that, then yeah, like that. So this one I need to wash this one, and still, yeah, everything is that, because I'm ready to eat now. I'm so hungry guys, very hungry. So I need to eat now. I need to eat this one.